Alright, here we are. It's Nathan here. And today I have the old vacuum chamber system thing out again. Basically just a hose coming off this food sealer thing going into this jar. I took the aquarium valves off of it because we probably won't need those today. But anyway, I'd like to measure it today actually and see how effective of a vacuum it actually can pull. So yeah, here we go. Alright, to measure the pressure I have this watch here. I don't know how well you can see it, but it actually has an air pressure thing on it. I don't know if you can really read that. But right now it says it's at 28.07 inches of mercury, which is fairly accurate because in Clallam here, with an elevation of about 1900 feet or 580 meters, that's about 27.9 inches of mercury. And because that is also dependent on weather and temperature and all that, I'd say that's accurate, which is good because some of the other features of this watch didn't work too well. But we know that one does, so I can put this in that jar in the chamber over there, and we should be able to measure the pressure. Alright, we're back. Hopefully you can see this alright. I should have brought my other camera here because this one does not focus very well. But anyway, another problem with this is that it only displays the screen with the pressure on it for 30 seconds. So I'm going to have to do this pretty fast. So here we go. I'm going to turn this on first, then push the button and close the lid. So here we go. Still, it'll probably go down in a minute. It's just rendering. You really can't see that very well, can you? And it changed, so I'll have to stop this. I think the lid wasn't on all the way. Alright, take two. Going. We're at 27.3, 25.03, 24.34, 24.11, 24.01, and it changed. Alright, I got it in here again. 24.04 inches of mercury now. So it just went up a little bit. Oh, it changed again. Alright, now I have it set to display the altitude. So let's set this here for a second. Turn this on. It was about at 560 meters before. Now it's at 1630 about. Going up pretty fast. 1702. 1729. And it changes again. Alright. It appears we have some air leaking in. Going to need a new seal. Alright, I stuck some silicone on here, so it should be sufficiently sealed now. So yeah, here. Alright, this is much better now. It's down to 5.5. Oh, 23.35. 22.61. 22.34, 22.21, looks like about 22.2. Alright, by the time the screen changed, I think that was about getting down to as far as it could go. It was starting to slow down, so I think I'll use that, about 22.2 inches of mercury. As, I don't know, a rough estimate of the vacuum that this can pull. So, yeah. Alright, now we can do some math here. So, we had 22.21 inches of mercury. I don't know how well you can see this again. Sorry, this camera doesn't focus. We're going to divide that by 0.0002953 to find how many pascals it is. So we'll do that. Alright, 22.21 divided by 0.0002953 gives us 75,000. Well, let me write this down. 75,211, 212, I guess, pascals. Alright. Alright, now we can plug that in to this handy calculator thing here. We can calculate that pressure would be the same as being at an altitude of 2,561.5 meters, which is actually almost exactly the elevation of Mount St. Helens, so that's pretty cool. Not very much to brag about for a vacuum chamber, but it's pretty interesting. Alright, so there's this. The pressure doesn't decrease too significantly, but that would be expected because, after all, it's only hooked up to a food sealer thing. But anyway, that was pretty interesting, and I'll see you guys next time.